accidentally nuked your TikTok and now you're panicking. Don't worry, we're bringing it back from the digital graveyard in this quick tutorial. First things first, fire up the TikTok app and try logging in using your usual username and password. TikTok gives you a 30-day grace period after deletion to reactivate your account with all your data intact. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset it via your linked phone number or email address. TikTok will then guide you through a verification process, either sending a code to your email or phone number. Once verified, you'll be able to create a new password. Once logged in with your old credentials or the new password, a reactivation screen will pop up. Simply hit reactivate, and boom, your account is back, good as new. If it's been longer than 30 days, or you are still facing issues, head over to TikTok's Help Center to contact their support team. You might still be able to recover your account depending on the circumstances. Product to prevent future heartache, regularly back up your TikTok data. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and select Download your data to request a copy of your videos and account information. That's it, you're a TikTok revival expert. Now go forth and reclaim your rightful place on the FYP.